The color of the wall. The keys of the car. The handle of the door. The screen of the phone. The light of the lamp. The corner of the room. The sound of the TV. The lid of the pot. The window of the kitchen. The leg of the table. The name of the boy. The friend of my brother. The advice of the doctor. The voice of the singer. The bag of the lady. The opinion of the public. The work of the artist. The smile of the child. The rules of the school. The address of the office. The center of the city. The roof of the building. The name of the street. The end of the road. The water of the river. The leaves of the tree. The capital of France. The flag of the country. The beauty of nature. The air of the mountains. The top of the page. The price of the milk. The taste of the coffee. The cover of the book. The result of the test. The date of the meeting. The piece of the cake. The smell of the flower. The size of the shoes. The time of the flight. The history of the world. The power of love. The cause of the problem. The speed of the wind. The meaning of the word. The beginning of the film. The side of the box. The bottom of the glass. The quality of the food. The goal of the game.
A piece of paper. A glass of water. A cup of coffee. A slice of bread. A bottle of wine. A bowl of soup. A bag of rice. A spoonful of sugar. A box of chocolates. A pair of shoes. A loaf of bread. A bunch of flowers. A bar of soap. A bar of chocolate. A drop of rain. A grain of salt. A slice of pizza. A bit of luck. A member of the family. A part of the plan. A sheet of metal. A kilogram of meat. A liter of milk. A pack of gum. A tube of toothpaste. A jar of honey. A deck of cards. A crowd of people. A group of students. A plate of salad. A tin of tuna. A roll of paper. A flash of light. A sense of humor. A type of car. A kind of fruit. A piece of furniture. A cloud of dust. A bunch of grapes. A scrap of cloth. A ray of sunshine. A puff of smoke. A series of events. A set of tools. A collection of coins. A block of ice. A stack of books. A pair of scissors. A head of cabbage. A clove of garlic.
A house of brick. A ring of gold. A watch of silver. A table of wood. A shirt of cotton. A dress of silk. A bottle of glass. A toy of plastic. A bag of leather. A wall of stone. A sweater of wool. A gate of iron. A cup of clay. A statue of marble. A spoon of steel. A box of cardboard. A jacket of denim. A fence of metal. A pillow of down. A necklace of pearls. A bridge of concrete. A window of crystal. A scarf of cashmere. A pipe of copper. A roof of straw. A doll of cloth. A coat of fur. A floor of tile. A chain of bronze. A plate of ceramics. A ball of rubber. A boat of aluminum. A basket of bamboo. A hat of straw. A frame of gold. A towel of linen. A handle of ivory. A coin of nickel. A tie of polyester. A mask of paper. A bucket of tin. A vase of porcelain. A staircase of granite. A carpet of nylon. A shield of wood. A belt of elastic. A mirror of glass. A statue of wax. A floor of laminate. A wall of ice. The story of my life. A man of courage. A map of the world. A book of poems. A woman of character. A feeling of joy. The city of Almaty. A message of hope. A sign of peace. A photo of the family. A person of honor. The news of the day. A list of names. A sense of duty. A matter of time. The light of truth. A man of words. A point of view. A state of mind. A song of freedom. A movie of horror. A lady of beauty. A symbol of love. A game of chance. A cry of pain. A dream of success. A source of energy. a lack of sleep, a world of wonders, a man of wisdom, a shadow of doubt, a promise of help, a look of surprise, a feeling of guilt, a way of life, a climate of change, a moment of silence, a problem of money, a theory of relativity, a collection of stories, a breath of fresh air, a man of wealth, a gesture of goodwill, a system of rules, a land of dreams, a sense of security, a pattern of behavior, a gift of God, a circle of friends, a type of personality. A lot of people. A number of books. Plenty of time. A piece of cake. A bit of sugar. A couple of days. Hundreds of birds. Thousands of stars. Millions of dollars. A variety of fruits. A majority of voters. A minority of students. Half of the apple. Most of the guests. Some of the water. All of the children. None of them. Each of the players. One of my friends. Both of us. A total of 10. A mountain of laundry. A crowd of fans. A group of friends. A pair of gloves. A set of keys. A collection of stamps. A series of tests. A bottle of milk. A box of matches. A glass of juice. A loaf of bread. A bunch of keys. A kilo of flour. A liter of oil. A packet of tea. A bar of chocolate. A slice of cheese. A spoonful of honey. A bowl of rice. A container of salt. A tank of gas. A handful of nuts. A drop of oil. A percentage of profit. A quarter of an hour. A stack of papers. A mass of clouds. A wealth of information. An excess of weight. All of them. Some of the students. Most of the work. None of the answers. All of the water. Some of my friends. Most of the guests. None of us. All of the children. Some of these books. Most of the time. None of those cars. All of the money. Some of the food. Most of the world. None of the fruit. All of my family. Some of your ideas. Most of the people. None of the key. All of the movies. Some of the information. Most of the day. None of my business. All of these photos. Some of the team. Most of our problems. None of the players. All of the buildings. Some of the light. Most of the energy. None of the windows. All of the cakes. Some of the trees. Most of the stars. None of the salt. All of the truth. Some of the history. Most of the road. None of the clothes. All of the music. Some of the milk. Most of the city. None of the results. All of the pages. Some of the boxes. Most of the travel. None of my family. All of the coffee. Some of the luck. The first day of summer. The end of the year. The beginning of the month. The middle of the night. The 4th of July. The time of day. The last week of school. The morning of the party. The date of birth. The age of 30. The season of autumn. The weekend of the race. The arrival of the train. The departure of the flight. The duration of the movie. The history of the country. The future of the company. The memory of that trip. The speed of the car. The length of the table. The height of the mountain. The depth of the pool. The weight of the box. The cost of the ticket. The result of the game. The point of the story. The name of the street. The size of the room. The beauty of the sunrise. The sound of the wind. The light of the moon. The color of the sky. The temperature of the water. The direction of the wind. The distance of the trip. The smell of the ocean. The pressure of the work. The value of the house. The level of the noise. The order of the names. The source of the river. The flow of the traffic. The power of the storm. The effect of the medicine. The goal of the project. The choice of the colors. The member of the club. The shadow of the tree. The warmth of the sun. The frequency of the visits.